In front of me is XIAOMI Leica Leitzphone, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Display and Brightness. Now scroll again, this time to click on Refresh Rate, and tap on Default or Custom. If you decided to select Custom, after tapping on it, click on the refresh rate below it and apply one of those from the pop-up. If you decided to apply the highest one, click on Apps using high refresh rate that will appear here, and to deny any app using high refresh rate, use blue switcher next to it. To allow it, scroll all the way down and click on gray switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!